Happy Monday, everyone. Meteorologist Kaylee Bowers here. What to expect for the rest of the day? Well, we're seeing that mixture of sunshine and clouds now after seeing those morning showers. Our sunrise this morning just around 6:45 and our sunset this evening getting it later and later. But your Monday, it's going to be windy and warm. We're tracking wind gusts around 30 to 40 miles an hour, forecasting highs in the upper 60s and the low 70s. Right around 72 for the Toledo Metro is what we're expecting. But as far as those winds, yeah, it's going to be pretty windy. But still, get outside with your pets for today. Share your pet photos with me. You can scan that QR code. It'll take you to my Facebook page, and I'll let you know when your pet's photo will be here on WTOL 11 Plus and also on WTOL 11. Gonna go with that green paw for today after seeing those morning showers. Now just dealing with that mixture of sunshine and clouds, those gusty winds, and those comfortable temperatures. But I'll tell you what, I think this little girl won't be going outside unless she's an outdoor cat. But yeah, it's gonna be pretty nice for this afternoon also into this evening. But of course, keep sharing your pet photos with me over on my Facebook page. There are those wind gusts. 30 to 40 mile an hour gusts eventually calming down later on this evening with wind gusts around 20 to 25 miles an hour. Tonight, cooling down but still comfortable. Forecasting lows in the upper 40s, low 50s with that mixture of clear skies and clouds, and that sunset for this evening, like I mentioned, around 8:21, and we're going to continue to see later sunsets until the middle of June when that summer solstice hits. But we're going to be seeing late sunsets after 8 o'clock until September 5th. That's 137 days away. Yeah, we have plenty of time to see those later sunsets. Now let's look ahead towards tomorrow. That bus stop for tomorrow morning will be slightly cooler, but still comfortable. Mid to upper 40s with that mixture of sunshine and clouds. By the afternoon, same thing, mostly sunny skies, and temperatures will be in those low to mid 60s. So finally feeling and looking a lot like spring. So still seeing a few spotty showers for some of us here at this lunchtime hour, eventually clearing on out, and we're staying nice and dry. Tuesday and Wednesday, a very small chance for some showers late in the day for Thursday, and then drying out, or still seeing some more showers by Friday, then eventually drying out as we head on into the weekend. So let's look at this hour by hour. We're still seeing a little bit of some of those midday showers, and then this afternoon looking pretty nice. On and off clouds and clear skies, temperatures in the upper 60s and the low 70s. This evening, dropping back down those upper 40s, even mid 40s for some of us. And then we're seeing plenty of sunshine waking up tomorrow morning. And then we're gonna do this all over again. Comfortable conditions, upper 60s, low 70s, on and off clouds and clear skies. Not tracking really any rain showers for Tuesday. And heading on into Wednesday, a mild start to the day once again. And then by the afternoon, we're forecasting highs in the mid to upper 70s. But 'tis the season. We're also dealing with that pollen count. Sitting at a high level for today, medium level. It's at a medium high level actually for today, but then back to that high level Wednesday and also into Thursday. Now, along with that UV index starting to climb just a little bit, sitting at that high level actually for the next several days. So always take those breaks in the shade and of course apply that sunscreen. Just enjoy yourself, but also stay safe and protected. Today, low 70s. We're about 6 degrees above average for this time of year. Upper 60s for tomorrow, warming up. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, about 10 degrees above average. We'll be in those mid 70s. Cooling back down just a little bit for the weekend, but still fairly comfortable, mid 60s. And then wrapping up those last few days of April, upper 60s and the low 70s. And you can see our average high by then, around 67 degrees. And that's right on track with our 8 to 14 day temperature outlook. Almost the entire country seeing above average temperatures, and that definitely includes us here in the Midwest from April 29th through May 5th. Now, if you love all this information, you can have it sent directly to your devices. Just search WTOL 11 Weather in the App Store. It's a free download and it's compatible with Apple and Google Play. And there's so much wonderful information, including your interactive radar, your hour-by-hour forecast, your extended forecast. Plus, you can submit your photos and videos to be showcased here on WTOL 11, but also on WTOL 11 Plus. And speaking of videos, how about personalized weather forecast videos from us here on the weather team directly to your devices? So go check that out. Something else to check out, our latest episode of Off the Radar. We are live every Wednesday at 10:15 on WTOL 11 Plus and also on YouTube. You know us, myself and meteorologist Ryan Weekman. This week we were talking about Easter. We played some fun Easter games I'll give you a hint. You kind of have to do some guessing with emoji. So if you're good with that, definitely check that out. But here's the thing. I know you're busy. I'm busy. You can watch it on your schedule on demand on Fire TV, Apple TV, and also on Roku. So yeah, Off the Radar live every Wednesday at 10:15 on WTOL 11 Plus and also on YouTube. And it's not just us, by the way. Our awesome behind the scenes crew, our director Tim, our producer Alexis, our digital producer Tiffany, and also our camera operator Mark. It's a lot of fun, and it makes you laugh for sure. Yesterday was Easter, so we did have to update the holiday countdown. Less than 3 weeks until Mother's Day. 5 weeks from today is Memorial Day. 55 days until Father's Day. And look what we added. Summer is officially on the countdown. 60 days away from that first day of summer with that average high of 84 degrees. I don't know about you, but it's already feeling pretty comfortable and pretty nice outside already. We're not forecasting those 80s right now, but still above average. Low 70s for today, and still seeing some spotty showers for this morning, but by this afternoon, pretty much for most of us are done with those showers. Tomorrow is Earth Day, lots of sunshine, temperatures in the upper 60s, and those winds will be calming down. Mid-70s Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Wednesday and Thursday mainly will be dry, just seeing that increase in clouds. A few spotty showers possible for Thursday, but really tracking rain chances for Friday and a little bit into Saturday. But most of the weekend should be fairly dry. We'll be in the mid-60s for the weekend, and then looking ahead towards next week, upper 60s, low 70s. Dry on Monday, but then more rain chances return Tuesday and Wednesday. Have a great rest of your day.